Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Ladymaria51 channel. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que les estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive the notification every time I upload a new video. Today, we will be baking the meringue powder. What is meringue powder? Meringue powder is a substitute for the egg whites and is widely used in baking. What do I mean it is a substitute for the egg whites? Is that you're going to replace the egg white with the meringue powder. Here I have an example to show you what meringue powder is. They come like this in different packages and different brands. I'm going to show it up close so that you can see it. They sell different brands in the store. I love sharing the products that I use with you. Among the use of meringue powder, since it is used a lot in baking, they use it a lot as part of the ingredients. For example, baked meringue. But it is used a lot for the preparation of royal icing. It is basically used for baking and decoring. Do you want to know how to use the meringue powder? It is very easy to use, and you just have to mix the meringue powder with water and nothing else. It is essential that when you buy the meringue powder, since they are different brands, two of the ingredients of the quantities vary depending on the brand. That is why I recommend that you read the instruction on the package to use the exact amount of meringue powder preparation. And the way to prepare it is with 2 teaspoons of meringue powder, mixing it with 2 tablespoons of water, which represent 1 egg white for the preparation of this brand. This is the way to prepare this brand. That is why always check the instruction on the packaging. What are the advantages of using meringue powder? It has several advantages. For example, it is much easier, faster, and it saves time, because if you were to use the egg white, you must remove the eggs in advance, be at room temperature, and then open the eggs to separate the egg whites from the yolk. See, you save time and effort. Using the meringue powder avoids contracting salmonella. That is very important and above all, very easy to use. There are several benefits of using meringue powder. I also want to tell you how this meringue powder is preserved. It is recommended that once you use it, you keep it covered in the container and keep it in a cool and dry place. It must be away from moisture so that the meringue powder is well preserved. You already know how to use this meringue powder, which is the substitute from the egg whites. I hope this information is very useful. Share this video with your friends and family. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. See you in the next video.